Alright guys, Code Online again. Now in this video, as promised, we're going to talk about for loop, while loop, and do while loop. So at first, let's see for loop. Okay, for loop. So before I tell you about for loop, let's talk about problem. Okay? Let's do for loop.cpp. This is file. We'll copy all of it because everything is so same. Now let's say there is a problem. Okay, let's say we want to print five times this hello world five times. All right, and what we'll do is do this, and we'll save it and run the for loop, run code. And here you see there is five for loop. What will happen if someone told you to do 1000 times? This may not be real, printing hello world, but in real world example, you have to do loops. Like from database or file, you have to extract data and loop through them and print it. So you need for loop or while loop, do while loop, or for each loop. Also there are in you can find in javascript like map, filter, um, for each, like that. Also in php there are loops. So we need for loop. We can run for loop for five times to print with a single statement. This right now we only get one. Okay, we only get one. Let's run code. Where is it? um Oh, I haven't saved it. Okay, let's rerun, and here it is. Now we'll do a for loop. For loop, we need for. Before that, let's initialize one variable, I, and say is equals to 0. Um, I is equals to 0, and let's say for I, and this is int, int data type. Int I equals 0, for I is equals to um, for I is equals to for I, okay, comma, because we have already initialized. I is less than 6, comma, I will talk about it. Okay, wait for a while. I plus plus, and give a curly brace, and inside put this hello world, and let's save it. What is this? Oh, here should be semicolon, my mistake. And save it and rerun the program, and see, here we get hello world 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 time. So why is that? Because it is from 0. Let's say 1. um Now let's run that again, and yeah, we got it 5 time. 1 2 3 4 5 time. So what we have done is initialize I with 1, and and in for loop it takes three parameter. This for I is equals 1, that is initialization, and condition, and increment or decrement, like that. Changing We have to change the value so that you'll meet the condition to terminate the loop. So when we run for loop, at first I is equals to 1, and I is less than, it will check the condition I is less than 6, that is 1 is less than 6. Yes, true. So it will run this statement. It will print out hello world. And again, I plus plus increases, it already become 2. 2 is less than 6. Yeah. Hello world. 3, yes, hello world. 4, hello world. 5, hello world. Now 5 is less than 6. Yeah, it's true. Now 6, when it reaches 6 is less than 6, no, it's false. So it will return 0, will terminate the program. So for loop ends, and uh, also the program ends because it return 0. Okay, so That's it. Now this is for loop. Okay. Let's say we printed another line, say hello only. Now there will be total 10 lines. I am showing you how this is working. Hello world, hello, hello world, hello. Okay, like this. Okay. Let's print here. Now after the program ends, we gonna say like program and for loop ends. Okay, so that we can see when for loop ends. For loop ended. Okay, like that. Let's run the code. It will only execute this one time, because after loop ends it will execute this line and return, which will terminate the program. Okay, hello world, hello, hello world, hello. This is 5 times, and at last for loop ended. This was for loop. Now we'll discuss about you know uh, we'll discuss about while loop. Yeah, while loop. Let's remove this for loop. Let's keep this loop ended line. Okay, we'll say while it has given minute condition while I is, let's say I is less than 5, and we want to say c, you want to say like let's say we'll say c out hello from while loop, and we'll say in L to change the line, and that's it. Let's save it for now. Let's comment this. Maybe not. Okay, let's not do that. Okay, so we have to see that pipe 4 times. Where is that? Yeah, hello from while loop. How many times? Oh my god. Condition is I is less than 5. Oh, and it run for forever. We have to increase the value. Problem is the problem to get detected. So let's run. It run for infinite time maybe. Mm, let's stop. Where is the end of this? It's running forever. Oh my god. Let's stop this. Um, let's stop this program and let's open again. Oof, it ran for forever, for because I missed this I plus plus increment condition. So let's run again, and we should be good. Yeah, it did for 4 times, for one, two, three, and 4. All right, and the for loop in this is while loop. No matter, but this is just you can change. This is just basic thing. All right, now there is last loop called do while loop. This is a little bit different. Let's say for instance this was 1. Yeah, 1. Then it will not print the while loop statement. You know why? Because the condition is false. Yeah, see here, while loop ended only. The thing that was outside the loop was only printed, but in do while loop, let's do that. Mm, this is the condition, and let's do do those things. These things. Um, do after this while this. So do will do this statement one time, whether the statement is right or wrong. So independent of the condition at first, independent of condition, it doesn't check the condition at first. So it will execute this and will check the condition. And in the second statement, it will now check the condition. If it's true, then go up and do again. If false, it will go down. Okay, like that. So let's do this. Let's do this for one time, at least for a few times. Let's say five. Let's run that again. Run code. Yeah, here, yeah, we can see hello from while loop, do while loop. Okay, now let's have one thing wrong here. The condition is false, so it will be executed one time. So that I want to show that. I want to show you that. Look, if we were doing that thing with while loop, then it would not have printed this hello from while loop. But with while do while loop, again, all right, do while loop, it'll at least print one time whether the conditional is false or true. So that's how we do for loop. So all right, guys, we did for loop, while loop, do while loop. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, if you understood the loops and iteration, and overall C++, if I'm helping you, then please subscribe my video, like, comment, and whatever you like. You're always open to learn from my channel. Thank you. It's time to go. In the next video, maybe we'll talk about some conditions, like if and if else if, and maybe switch case. So keep enjoying, keep learning. Bye bye.